Hi, my name is Romay Cupido. Today, I face with you the breakthrough mental strategy that comes from within the product Crack the Millionaire Code. Kindle gives you a free platform. I give you a product that has more than just a product to write or to produce, but tools inside the product to develop your mental strength and develop yourself to earn while you learn with so many tools that will make you a great investor in yourself and in product after product. So let's go. Your mental attitude is vital for your business to understand this breakthrough method of developing yourself to mental strength, to have a core standing foundation to start your business. It is so important to have more than just daily affirmations. And I can tell you with everything I've built from scratch that I still do the mirror exercise. This is one of the first exercises I give within the product for you to keep building your mental strength and do the exercise as I daily do. Everything you need is already in your hands. You need the mental strength to harness more than just one product, to keep building, to keep growing, to keep developing. So, if you start the mental exercise of the mirror image, you facing yourself, to have a breakthrough within yourself, looking in the mirror. When we look in the mirror, who do we face? We face ourselves. And as I can guarantee you, when I did this the first time, the acceptance of showing gratitude to yourself gets so emotional that you cry. Because as a normal individual growing up from different circumstances in life, some people do not know and do not understand what it feels like to be grateful for the things they already have, or even to tell themselves thank you. So, in the exercise, if you face yourself, for example, thank you, Romay, for what you've achieved today. Thank you. Be gratitude for the day you started getting up. Feeling good within yourself that you're starting this day creating a business with a good product that give you more than just writing a product. My name is Romay Cupido. Please subscribe. Ring the bell to get notification of upcoming videos because I want you to share and I want you to start with a mental attitude that is not just a business, but you want to help others, give back and support others as well. So this is what come with the instructions within the exercise, that you develop yourself to the core of having a platform for success. People need a breakthrough. And in my opinion, people need more. They need an opportunity to understand how to succeed, how to develop and grow. They need hope. They need to know that there is something better out there for them. They need to be given a chance to start creating a better life, to be better, to grow, to become better. That's what I want for you. Please subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you do not lose out for upcoming videos and we grow together and help others. My main objective with Crack the Millionaire Code is for you to succeed, not growing one product, but keep developing, investing in yourself, and become a better investor to have a more secure life. Not just for you, but your loved ones. That's the gratitude I would like to share with you, getting a breakthrough starting with a mental attitude of the right way to become balanced and successful. I see you on the other side. Ciao.